Nobody but me has not one but two of these pictures.
परिणीति चोपड़ा के पास है वो पिक्चर जो रणवीर की फीमेल फैंस देखने के लिए शायद कुछ भी कर जाएं। और जिसकी डील करने के लिए परिणीति लेगी a heavy amount.
I will charge 50 crores for this
50
photo.
crores? Oh my god.
Nobody but me has not one but two of these pictures where Ranveer in all his glory, top and bottom, can be seen in that photo. Top and bottom can be seen in that photo.
Well, ये कैंडिड रेवलेशन हुए एक्सक्लूसिवली Zoom पर जब किल दिल की टीम आई फॉर अ फन फिल्ड चैट विद न्यूज हेड मधुरिता मुखर्जी और इनके मस्ती भरे कॉन्वर्सेशन में जब निकली रणवीर के शूट के दौरान कई बार पैंट्स उतारने के फेटिश की बात, तो पहली बार रणवीर ने एक्सक्लूसिवली रिवील करी अपने साइट की स्टोरी।
Look, and
Glory that
now
we want.
finally I don't get a chance to speak whenever this question is posed. This is my side of the story.
I'll see if
It
I
was
do get to
40
answer.
plus degrees in Lavasa. Okay, we were shooting Happy Birthday. It's very intense choreography.
Yeah.
At least for my part
I have
of
an
it.
answer
It
for
was yellow leather. Okay, so one time I'm dancing full on. ऊपर से इतनी गर्मी है. We're shooting outdoors. Okay, the coolers and the fans are only in one spot. And take after take, your body generates a lot of heat, and it's damn hot. So leather is bound to start giving
Sticky.
you trouble.
Yeah. So you just take it off.
Yeah.
I have an answer for this. When
And
he
then?
may
Yeah.
be made to look like a Papa Butcher.
So
Then?
I mean, you need to.
Shed the layers.
Ventilate.
Yeah.
तो वो मेरे लेदर
I
में
have
क्या
an answer.
So what you wearing?
यही बोलने वाली
मेरे
थी।
लेदर में एयर कंडीशनर लगे हुए थे अंदर।
So I have two answers for this. The first is that
Yeah.
Ali Zafar was also wearing a leather
Exactly,
suit.
so-
He never stripped. for
Yeah.
us.
बात तो सही है रणवीर, आखिर वही लेदर पैंट्स अली ने भी पहने थे। बट इफ यू थिंकिंग रणवीर गॉट स्टक इन दिस वन, लिसन टू हिज जस्टिफिकेशन।
Ali Zafar का character ही वो है ना, you know, there are some guys who will be in the middle of the dance floor going full on, sweating, this, that, and then there are the strong silent brooders who stand and nod their head, you know, with the drink in their hand. That Ali was doing that.
लेकिन परिणीति लगता है पूरा मूड बनाकर आई हैं टू स्ट्रिप रणवीर ऑफ। तभी तो देखिए, शी हैज अनदर काउंटर अटैक फॉर हिम।
I have another answer
Yeah.
for this. No problem. We were shooting the Chor Bazaar scene, and it was not hot. He was wearing normal trousers. We were doing a sit-down scene, and in that also he took off his pants and sat. Where was the leather and the heat then?
यार तू पहली
So what is it with the taking off pants?
Okay.
Where does
He
the
wants to
feeling
do
come
it.
from?
All this
This is
leather
my
pant
side
and his
to
it.
and
Is
his
this
heat
like a-
is all a bahana.
This is my side to it, okay? At the
You already given your side to it. Now what is this?
Sab hai
and the
bahana.
Chor Bazaar, the shirt would come like that. It would bunch up and look like I have a paunch when I actually don't. So I had to. Open
So why would you
the
take off your
pants.
pants to adjust your?
Properly, it
one
has to be
second.
tucked in, yeah.
So you can open your pants
Yeah, you can
and
just
tuck.
tuck, yeah.
You don't have
Take
to
off your pants, like yeah.
I mean, do it once and for all properly.
No, and then
It's like a
standing
fetish
there.
of taking off your
One
pants.
second. And then he's taken off his pants, he's standing there. We can see everything. And he's having a chat, a gentle chat with the public. He's
Yeah.
saying, ha, whatever. So I said, Ranveer, wear your pants. Then he said, oh.
These Chopra sisters have a big issue.
Chopra
I
sisters.
said, why you strip?
Yeah.
What Chopra sisters, girls have an issue with this?
Yeah.
नहीं मुझे भी थोड़ा सा
Do you believe in
ऐसा
a? Do you believe in a nudist world, Ranveer, by any chance?
क्यों? इंसान पैदा
वो ऑटर्स क्लब की आंटियां को पूछो।
नंगा ही हुआ था।
Hi, Ranveer. ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਟਰਸ ਕਲੱਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਟੌਪਲੈਸ ਆਂਟੀ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਬਾਟਮਲੈਸ
Seems like Ranveer really loves the world of nudity, but इस पूरे fun conversation का highest point रहा तब जब बातों ही बातों में परिणीति ने कर दिया इशारा to make a call to someone if Ranveer doesn't stop with his habit of taking his pants off.
I'm very comfortable in my own skin.
Yeah. As per Niti can see, and the rest
I've
of them,
seen it
you've
all.
seen it all.
All.
Yeah.
लॉल
just let me make up the call
Don't.
Okay. Yeah.
जी आपका अगला सवाल क्या था?
As Ali says, next question please. We will show you what's next. But as of now, Team Kill Dil की और भी ज्यादा मस्ती भरी बातें और रेवोल्यूशन देखिए next week in their entire interview only on Be Tonight. Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.
क्या बात है?